A multi-story sanctuary of glass and wood where minimalist lines meet tropical soul. Sunlight dances on concrete accents, framing a life integrated with the lush green wild. 2 stories of modern elegance nestled in a verdant embrace. White stucco glows under soft, diffused light, while a quiet carport rests amidst a vibrant, leafy tropical haven. Luxury and tranquility converge in this glass-walled retreat. Silver steel meets emerald palms as soft shadows trace the clean, sophisticated silhouette of a dream home. An architectural poem in monochrome, bold black patterns lead to a minimalist white escape set against a dramatic silver sky and the untamed beauty of a tropical thicket. Contemporary luxury breathes through a white facade and stone-paved paths. Large windows invite the outside in, creating a seamless harmony between elite design and nature. As twilight deepens to blue, this illuminated jewel glows from within. A sophisticated gray facade and manicured lawns define a scene of quiet, evening-time architectural grace. Stark white minimalism meets the deep green of mature trees. A dark SUV sits on a crisp driveway, reflecting the quiet strength of a home designed for modern, airy clarity. Precision in every stone and pane, this white and gray masterpiece stands bold against an overcast sky, its recessed entrance a gateway to a world of curated modern peace. A minimalist vision tucked within a woodland cradle. Winding asphalt leads past traditional charm to this modern glass marvel, all bathed in the soft glow of a quiet day. Dappled sunlight filters through a canopy of green, dancing upon a serene white villa. A curved path whispers of suburban peace, where glass and foliage live in a soft haze. A single-story refuge of wood and light. Beyond the glass doors, warmth meets the rolling green hills, crafting a spacious home that feels like a whisper of the earth itself. White lines and wooden beams define this sun-drenched porch. Nestled beneath rolling hills and blue skies, it is a bright, airy testament to the beauty of simple, clean living. Palm fronds sway against a soft, pearlescent sky, framing a luxury home of glass and light. A sleek metal fence guards a tropical paradise where modern life meets the coast. Stone and cedar lead the way to an elegant, inviting heart. Under a bright, clouded sky, this minimalist cottage stands as a clean, poetic blend of nature and fine masonry. A serene union of white stucco and natural stone. Here, the lawn is a velvet carpet leading to a wooden door, where large windows offer a quiet glimpse into a life of grace.